Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato tofu soup. This simple recipe combines fresh ingredients for a delicious and healthy meal. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can create a comforting bowl of soup with ease. It's a fantastic option for a nutritious dinner that comes together quickly, offering a wonderful balance of flavors and textures. Get ready to enjoy a truly satisfying dish. First, let's gather our ingredients and get them prepped. You'll need about 14 ounces of firm or extra firm tofu, pressed well to remove excess water. Dice or crush 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes for the base. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth on hand. Don't forget aromatics like garlic and ginger, which add depth. Proper preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and maximum flavor in your soup. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by sautéing your minced garlic and grated ginger in a large pot until fragrant. Next, add your prepared tomatoes, cooking them down until they start to break apart and release their juices. Pour in the vegetable broth, bringing everything to a gentle simmer. Finally, carefully add your pressed and cubed tofu, allowing it to absorb the wonderful flavors as it simmers for about 10 to 15 minutes. Your delicious tomato tofu soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro or green onions for a burst of color and flavor. A small drizzle of toasted sesame oil can also elevate the taste. This soup is wonderful on its own or paired with a side of rice. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.